Bangalore is home to many great institutes offering top-notch cybersecurity courses. One of the best is Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, ICSS. They offer a wide range of practical cybersecurity training and have skilled instructors. Another great choice is Appin Technology Lab, known for its comprehensive training programs in ethical hacking and network security. Network Bulls is also another popular institute that provides hands-on cybersecurity training, especially for those interested in networking and security. I2IT offers specialized courses with a focus on real-world cybersecurity skills, making it a top choice. Lastly, Simplilearn, offers online and offline training for cybersecurity certifications, with great reviews and a global network of professionals as well. These institutes provide the knowledge and skills that you need to protect businesses from cyber threats and build a career in this exciting field. So if you found this information helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.